In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create milestones in a Gantt chart in Smartsheet. To start, make sure you already have a sheet open that you want to use as a project plan. At the top of the sheet, locate the view options and switch to the Gantt view. This will display your tasks in a timeline format on the right side with the familiar bars representing durations. Next, move to the column header area on the left. Find an existing column where it makes sense to place your duration information, then click the three dots or more options icon on that column header. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Insert Column Right. This will create a new column to the right of the one you selected. When Smartsheet asks what type of column you want, select Duration. This column type is specifically designed to work with Gantt charts and project settings. In the column name field, type Duration. So it's clear what this column is for, then confirm by clicking OK. You should now see a new duration column added to your sheet. Now, let's connect this column to your project settings so it drives your Gantt chart properly. On the new duration column header, click the three dots again to open the column menu. From there, select Edit Column Properties. In the window that opens, look for the option to edit project settings and click Edit Project Settings. In the Project Settings panel, you'll see drop-downs where you can define which columns are used for the start date, finish date, and duration. Make sure your start column is correctly selected as the start field and your finish column is set as the finish field. Then confirm that the duration field is mapped to the duration column you just created. You'll also see an option labeled Dependencies Enabled. Turn this on so that Smartsheet can automatically calculate task durations, start and finish dates, and handle links between tasks. This is what allows milestones and dependent tasks to update when something changes in your schedule. Once everything looks correct, click OK to save your project settings. At this point, your Gantt chart is fully configured. You can now enter durations directly, set tasks to 0 days to mark them as milestones, and Smartsheet will display them properly.